chasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? The boy Santa's coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Gwan peeps, are we there with another?
Abunda la caca.
Oh!
Why you do it, John Crow?
Bang! But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. You know more I'm telling you. You know some I miss you know. You know I miss you know. I may apologize for disappear for a couple of days, well. But me I go through some things also too. If you guys don't know, me have some sort of anxiety. And then tour they keep me busy. Peeps, I did miss you know. And then me did go up on a little birthday. A little birthday hotel outing. You know what I mean? Look out for that vlog there. Yeah. Them video not go too long to the peeps, but I promise you so I'll get back focused. I'm going to keep the pot bubbling and stay up to date. So please forgive me peeps, I'm going to try my best even with the streaming. Shout out to everybody who rock with me on my gaming channel and thing. But yeah, make you get tonight.
You need God. You need to see God. You need God.
Listen, don't leave me now.
Yeah, leave that. I will leave there. Nobody will leave there now.
A lion.
You can get into me no
You
matter.
need manners. What do you want to speak from me?
Hey. Tell her you silly me no matter, silly me.
Well, use yourself, man.
Tell she treat herself, no.
You behave yourself, man. Can't nobody know how to.
Are you speak from me, sir?
Hey, Jesus. Hey, Margarita. No, come on.
Why man speak from?
Come on, I'm paying me to you know, because you're not a behavior, you know.
Actually, I don't want to lick the money here, you know. I
So
don't
where
want
you
to
going to make me have a roast cut right to lick me no matter? May I talk to you?
Will you speak from me for, sir?
I have blood clot, yes, you just fucking know.
Give me $200.
The man speak right from the clothes. Actually, all you know, Ilian, we don't want to push him down, you know. Why you do it, John Crow?
Oh, bomba.
The truth jealousy.
Who jealousy? Go away and go about who jealousy. About who jealous?
You.
Who jealous?
You can come and grumble to me, so you have a problem. What did you problem?
If you problem.
Rose.
You don't love
Rose.
me. I just missing with you.
You don't love me either, Rose. Rose, you don't love me, Rose. Rose, you don't love me, Rose. Rose, you don't love me. People tell me stay there for life and wind up with man.
I cannot get fear yet. I'll demand you. Do you not get fear yet? I demand you.
Yo. Rose not easy now. Big up to Rose and World Dog. Them not easy at all. Anyway, peeps. Next video now. That is so emotionally and nice. I'm going still. That place look like somewhere in a Mandeville. But they are try to recognize it. It's there near the park. Near the Mandeville market and thing like that. Yeah man. Remember that side there. Man boss a propose. It's all in the rain, in the traffic, you know. And then she say yes. That's a good thing when people find love. Especially now. Now the mad time here when the world look like it probably almost a go end, you know. Hey. But big ups me youth. Cause Congrats.
Them see your life and them know your sacrifice. And them see and them pass all kind of assertion and everything. And granted, and everybody gonna like you. I'm not there for every girl and boy like me. Cause I'm not like some girl, I'm not like some boy, I'm not really respond. But before you judge somebody, I'm ready to carry them by the gallows. And when you see people with them things, don't grudge them. Don't bad mind them. Because you grudge me for my reward. But the work when I put in to get it, you wouldn't do it. You wouldn't do it. You never did I go do it.
Bars. A true thing she attacks them. Me not go around that. People. Miss Kitty attack facts right there, so. People see you with your things, no matter how big it is or small it is. And people still bad mind people and grudge people. And the work where we wanna put in to buy our little things them, no matter how big or small it is, no matter what it is, enough people wanna never put in the work there, don't want to put in the work there none at all. You know what I mean? And it's sad still. It's sad for those most of the people still I think them we are in a 2020 when as me telling you the world is that the world mad you now. But hey, big up yourself, Miss Kitty, for drop some facts. You see it? So my advice to everybody is wait your turn. Take it the blessings. Don't bad mind nobody. Next video.
Listen, quick story. Ladies, and every man will say hi to no want to know. Me not lie, me there in the store today, a lady, debit card drop. Walk up to her and say, excuse me. As me about to tell her what happened, she said to me, sir, I have a boyfriend. Mama, I never asked if I have a boyfriend. I understand you get antagonized every day. But not because you have a big ass doesn't mean you're cute. Because you don't look good. You understand? So God there, you don't look good. Because if you look good, mother start a different approach and try to talk to you. And you don't look fucking good. Me look alike. We're not cute. Don't do that something there. We need to do better than that, man. I don't want to get antagonized every day, but sometimes I just be polite and say, find out what it is first. Because your debit card they are grown. I wish most of the scammer that deal with it wicked, they say.
Cranium has spoken. Leave your comment down below. Let me hear your thoughts on the whole matter and how it goes.
Pops, good morning. How are you doing? I am inviting you to church. You and some of the man them. We're gonna have a burn away Sunday where you're gonna light candles and burn away everything in your life that is a problem that is bothering you. So I want you to come and take some of the men them with you, okay? Have a blessed day. Make sure you come and that me I tell you. Oh.
You connect me like that burn away business there. Cause me and you can run the biggest ganja spliff when we roll up over there then. What you say, roll with the chalice too?
Yes, Pops, roll with the chalice. Make we burn it together.
Yeah, you still bad, Miss Rona. Pastor Vernon have to burn away too, you know. Yeah, tell Pastor Vernon he have to smoke a one joint for the Lord.
Pastor Vernon out of this. Pastor Vernon not going to smoke no one joint. You make sure so you come and that me I tell you.
Boy, your popcorn is easy, you know. But guess what? I rate the relationship where him and his mother have, you know what I mean? Me personally, I love them things there. You know what I mean? Love when family and mother and son or father or son just have that link there, that bond there. You know what I mean? It's nice still. I'm not telling a lie. It's nice.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Go suck a shang wang wang. Fly past some ears. One catch your head back, make you go in at the grave. Shang wang wang. when.
Good morning, Jamaica. I just want to put out a stern warning. Anyone caught with this new gun, Peshong Wang Wang, will be severely dealt with. So don't get yourself caught up. Have a Merry Christmas.
Alright, peeps. Hope you enjoy them video there. As I say, I know nothing too long. And them video they kinda old still. But guess what? I still want to share them with you because I know enough people still not see them yet. You know? So, as I say, peeps, thank you very much for rocking with me. Please leave a like down below. Please, me I beg you because it really helps me. You need it now more than ever because you know me kind of off and in my back. Now still, stay tuned for the new vlog we're gonna drop tomorrow when me touch birthday vlog, you know, at the hotel and things. So yeah. Big ups on yourself. Me there and stay tuned and just go and join with your boy. Ashoo!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker. Big up the